Google's Pixel phones have consistently pushed the envelope on software features, but hardware shortcomings have prevented the line from being as successful as it could be. The upcoming Pixel 8 series is looking to improve on things with innovative solutions to past issues. Specifically, there's considerable excitement surrounding the Pixel 8's Tensor G3 chipset and its alleged new packaging method that could address the hot issue, overheating. To understand the significance of this news, it's crucial to note the history. Google's Tensor development has faced some challenges in its early stages, with users often complaining of overheating and consequent poor performance, especially in warmer climates. This problem was particularly pronounced in the Pixel 6 series despite notable improvements in the Pixel 7. But now a solution may be on the horizon. A recent revelation on 9 to 5 Google suggests that the Tensor G3, slated to power the upcoming Pixel 8, could be the first to utilize Samsung Foundry's innovative Fan-out Wafer-level packaging method. As reported by reliable leaker Revegnis, this technology promises reduced heat generation and increased power efficiency for the Tensor G3. This packaging technology, designed to minimize the overall footprint while enhancing thermal performance, might be the game-changer Google needs to mitigate the heat-related issues that have plagued past Pixels. Given Google's history with the Tensor chip, this advancement is timely. With climate changes intensifying extreme temperature events, mobile devices need to perform optimally without overheating. While other flagships like the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra maintain their cool even under heavy workloads, the Tensor G3's new packaging may finally level the playing field for Google. Looking ahead, Google is set to unveil the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro on October 4, already teasing enthusiasts with glimpses of the phone and the Pixel Watch 2. While the final product remains to be tested, the Tensor G3's adoption of this packaging holds immense promise. Meanwhile, Google Pixel 8 Pro spotted on the IMDA's certification website. Just a few days back, the Pixel 8 Pro device was also certified by the REL Certification Authority of Canada, and ahead of which had also received the FCC certification as well. The image of the smartphone and its 360-degree preview were also leaked via Google's website. In the recent past days, the Pixel 8 Pro smartphone has been officially confirmed to have its launch on the 4th of October 2023, next month. The Pixel 8 smartphone, Watch 2, and new color variants of the Pixel Buds Pro are also going to be launched alongside with it. This consistency is good news for users considering an upgrade. Those eager to get their hands on these devices won't have to wait long. Pre-orders are set to commence on the day of the announcement, and deliveries could potentially start as soon as October 11 if the company follows last year's release pattern. So, what are your expectations from Google's upcoming device? Share your valuable thoughts below in the comments section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.